Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up emergency SOS on your iPhone while traveling. I will be just search the health. Make sure you will just open the health application and you will just scroll down and you will be just find this health checklist. And if you just again scroll down and in the activity section you will just find the emergency SOS. So I will just tap on it simply. So here you will see your iPhone can quickly call emergency services and messages your emergency contact. This feature is always active. So example, when I just hold it the like side button and the volume down button on the hold, and here you will see this is the second option is medical ID and the third option is emergency call for SOS. So what gonna do, if you want to just add a contact in this emergency SOS, I will be just tab on it like set up emergency contacts. So right over here I will just tab on it plus and I will just type example this contact, and this will be my spouse, and I will just tap on it done. So I will just show you that when I just hold it side power button and the volume down button on the right time, and here in the last option you will see the emergency call. So when I was just turn it on, so it will be just call or notify my the spouse that I will be in some emergency situation, so he will be just look after me. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.